Hello, everyone. Welcome back to this module on building effective roadmaps. In this particular module, we are going to take a deep dive into looking at roadmaps. Why are roadmaps built? Why are they useful? And actually, how to build an effective roadmap. So, let's go ahead and quickly get started. Let's start with the purpose of a roadmap. The one solitary purpose of a roadmap is to be a high level visual summary for all your stakeholders to be on the same page. This is how you'll communicate with all your stakeholders regarding where you're going, whether it's in terms of the organization vision, the strategy, and what are the next things that are going to take you to the next level. These are the kind of things that are encapsulated in a product roadmap. Now, let's take a look at what are we going to actually include in a product roadmap. I categorize these into three important things. The first thing is you'll have a definition of your product vision and strategy. The second part would be the features, the prioritized features that are based on the customer needs and your business goals. These are going to be different, unique, and very specific to the company or the practice that you belong to. The last and the most important thing is this artifact, that is the product roadmap, will include your communication pieces also that gets distributed amongst your stakeholders. That's your early customers, your product focus group, your internal stakeholders, and your leadership team, as well as your engineering team. So that's a little bit about what goes into making a product roadmap. Now let's take a quick look into what are the common types of product roadmaps. Again, three is that magic number. Usually I've seen these three types, and if there are any other types of product roadmap that you have seen, feel free to comment and let us know and have a discussion. So the three top types of roadmaps are: number one, a linear roadmap. This focuses more on completing tasks in a specific order. Here, in this particular scenario, you'll find yourself just coming in and helping a team execute. There'll not be a lot of room for creativity and really showcasing your critical thinking, but you will find yourself in organizations that use this very top down heavy approach where you have a very linear roadmap and frankly doesn't have a lot of creativity. The second one is going to be slightly more challenging, which is on a high level categorized as a theme based roadmap. This organizes tasks into certain categories or themes, and then you will have specific roadmaps for a theme that gets displayed out. So that's the second type. The last one is a very date driven roadmap. Generally, you'll have your leadership team be given a task or a big project that needs to get completed, but the entire emphasis is on completing the task by a specific date. So, those are the kinds of flavors that you will see in practice. One is a linear, the other is theme, and the last is a date driven roadmap. Now, let's get to the meat of it. How are you actually going to build your roadmap? That's the visual, high level summary that outlines your vision, goals, and has that prioritized list of features. We're going to take a break here and actually dive into a product roadmap, um, a summary, and an example of a live example. We are going to take a look at building a roadmap from scratch rather than just talking with the slides. So, in the next video, you will see us diving right into making a roadmap. So, see you there.